Times Now's Total Recall series is a one-of-its-kind nostalgia trip.
आप मेरे ऑफिस का कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट देख लीजिए, मैं कोई ऐसा वैसा आदमी नहीं हूँ।
तक बैठने को न कहा जाए, शराफत से खड़े रहो।
I love you, Yasna.
हमें नहीं दोगी आज 4 पैसे नशे पानी के लिए?
Can you imagine television that made a bad day seem suddenly bearable? TV characters that put a smile on your face and humor that actually made you laugh? Well, TV way back then was all this and more. It went beyond the plastic.
भाई साहब, अरे आप निकलिए ना।
अगर छुट्टियों में भी पढ़ना हो तो छुट्टियां देते क्यों हैं?
ये जो है जिंदगी, थोड़ी मीठी थोड़ी खट्टी।
You open the door and the person you're expecting is not there. So it is like, that is like, it has to be that.
एक अलग ही है मजा।
Rewind to the days when advertising was a slice of life.
सस्ती चीज खरीदने में और अच्छी चीज खरीदने में फर्क होता है।
हमारा बजाज, हमारा बजाज।
I'm a Complan boy. I'm a Complan girl.
Oh, you bought the TV you always wanted.
We really would like you to be the face of Onida, and he'd actually done some sketches of my face with the entire get-up, with the horns and the ears and stuff like that. And I just looked at it in complete horror and said, no way I'm doing this. I'm just not doing this. And because I didn't think any client would actually buy a campaign like that. And it took them a couple of months of convincing me, but finally I sort of did it as a lark, literally.
And films? Well, sometimes they were all about us.
लेकिन मैं वो अभागा हूँ जो हर रोज, हर पल, हर लम्हा अपनी मौत देख रहा है तुम्हारे चेहरे पर।
And sometimes they were larger than life.
When actors Devanand and Rajkumar refused the role of Vijay and Zanjeer, Prakash Mehra then approached a relatively unknown face called Amitabh Bachchan for the same role. He had watched Amitabh's performance in Hrishikesh Mukherjee's Anand and really loved him. He cast him as Vijay, and as we all know, what happened after that is cinematic history.
Firstly, of course, the credit for representing a character should really go to the writers because they conceive. I'm fortunate that Salim Javed thought of me as the actor that would do it. And I'm happy that whatever I did was accepted by the audience.
ये मिस्टर विजय कुमार हैं?
विजय बड़ा सौदागर बन गया है रे।
अपनी उम्र से बढ़कर बातें नहीं करते विजय। मैं दूरदर्शन हूँ।
And of course, the era of Doordarshan and the birth of news television.
ये वो जगह है जहाँ से दूरदर्शन के जीवन का पहला संगमील रखा गया।
नमस्कार, आज के समाचारों में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं अर्शिया कपाडिया और आप देख रहे हैं टाइम्स नाउ। With the charm of color television, newscasters became a household name. They may not have enjoyed the demigod status that some of our news anchors enjoy today, but they were quite popular in their own way.
No, our dress sense was according to the black and white, the makeup and everything. So everything had to change. So initially, I think when we used to go to read the news, and we used to think that now we will look very beautiful and we look very nice and all that. But when you used to come back and see the recording, at least I looked horrible at times.
Don't miss the Total Recall series only on Times Now Weekend.